Keep temps on Harry Maguire. Comes out for Cunha. And again, Matheus Cunha. Support slide. Gakpo. Decent effort. Šeško leaves it for Midu. Ahmad. He's given it away to Szoboszlai. It's a dreadful pass. Now Gakpo to his left, Frimpong to his right. Szoboszlai might take it on himself. What a Vic turns 23. What have Manchester United done here? Kobbie Mainoo head up, scanning the horizon, looking for options. Oh, that's clever. Cunha, Luke Shaw. At the back post is Ahmad. Heading it down to McAllister. Mainoo!